When parents tell me their child is just lazy, I always push back because laziness typically isn't the problem. And what looks like laziness is usually something much deeper and more fixable. I know this from my personal experience because my teacher humiliated me in front of my entire class after I scored 1 out of 100 on a test. And she thought I wasn't trying hard enough. But the truth was, I felt completely lost and had no idea where to even start. This is exactly what's happening with your child right now. When students avoid maths homework or procrastinate on revision, it's not because they're lazy or don't care about their grades. It's because they feel overwhelmed and don't know where the gaps are. So every attempt to study feels like trying to build a house on a cracked foundation. Schools move incredibly quickly through the curriculum, so once a student falls behind on a foundational topic like fractions or algebra, everything that comes after feels completely impossible to grasp. They sit in class nodding along, but inside they're panicking because they don't understand what's happening, so they shut down to protect themselves from feeling stupid. These students don't need lectures about working harder or threats about their future because that just makes their anxiety worse. They need someone to go back, find exactly where the foundations are cracked, and rebuild those gaps step by step in a way that actually makes sense for how they learn. I've worked with students who looked completely disengaged, unmotivated, but once we identified their specific gaps, gave them a clear roadmap to move forward, the so-called laziness disappeared completely. Suddenly they were engaged, asking questions, and motivated because they could finally see progress happening. If this sounds like your child, message me the word unlock and I'll reserve your spot for a free strategy session with me where we'll pinpoint exactly what things went wrong and how we can fix them.